Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to run a Python code in Sublime Text 3. So for that, we'll have to build a system. That means we'll have to set the path to the Python in Sublime Text 3. So for that, we'll open our editor and we'll create a new file. We'll save this as check1.py. Okay, we'll save it in our desktop. And we have to click on tools and click on build system, then click on new build system. So we'll clear the code and we have a special code here in our notepad. I will copy and paste this code in the description below. So we'll just copy this and we'll paste it here. Then we'll go to start. We will type Python. We'll get this and we'll open this location and we'll right click on this again and we'll click on the properties. Then we'll copy the target and we'll close this now. We'll paste this inside our double quotes in the CMD line. We'll paste this and then we'll have to delete this forward slash and give this slash backwards for all the forward slash delete and this. Yep, that's it. Now we will save this, Control S, and the name we'll give here is Python exe dot sublime hyphen build, and we'll save. Then we'll have to click on tools again, click on build system, then click on our created Python exe. That's it. We'll close our Sublime Text. We'll open it again because it needs time to refresh. Now we'll write a simple sample code. Welcome Hussein. Now we'll save this and we'll run this by clicking Ctrl plus B. We'll get our output here, welcome Hussein. So that's it. Happy coding.